Routing pipe from equipment is quite simple as well. You can route pipe from any piece of equipment that has a nozzle, and the pressure class will be determined from the specifications of the nozzle. So let's just go ahead and click on this vessel that we have here. I'm going to zoom into the nozzle area, and you'll see we have a little plus sign right there that says continue pipe routing. If we click that on, we can go ahead and we can type in a distance, or we can drag it out or snap it to the next point that we want. Remember that if you want to change your plane, we can go ahead and just click on the plane tool there, and we can continue that on upward, so on and so forth. But very simple. Notice that the flange as well as the gasket is put in place here. It's all automatic, and you just remember you can route from anything that does have a functioning nozzle. Besides routing from a nozzle or from equipment, remember you can also auto route from fittings as well. We'll go ahead and we'll click on the end of this ball valve that we have here, and you'll notice we still have this same continue pipe routing. We'll just shove that over there a little bit, and then all we have to do is grab and go. And you'll notice we can continue routing, change planes with the compass as we've done before, and it's all automatic. Your gasket and flange automatically put in place.